Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me about cell phone car holders and something that's not expensive like on my kit. And so today I have a cell phone holder that's cheaper, but yet does the same thing. So without further ado, let's get to it. Definitely, if you want ease of access to your cell phone while you're in a vehicle, you know, using GPS and stuff, a cell phone holder is a must. It keeps your hands off the cell phone and it keeps your cell phone in a position that's easy to see for GPS or whatever in your situation. Now, in my situation, guys, I've had the opportunity to try numerous different cell phone holders. Starting from $10 that can get kind of crappy to $25 that are my personal favorite, and last but not least the $50 range and plus, which doesn't make any sense to me. In my situation, in my kit, I have the $24 one as my favorite because I do use it in my Genesis, and this is what I use in my Genesis. It has been my go-to for a very long time because it's so easy to use. You know, you just place the cell phone right there and then you can see the grab handles click into place, holding the cell phone in place, and then obviously I can just plug this bad boy into here and get Apple CarPlay on my system. Extremely simple and easy to use. I love this system right here, and this is on my kit actually. However, a lot of people still don't like this one. They want me to find an even cheaper option, and this is where this bad boy comes in from Max Boost, guys. And when I'm talking cheaper than this, I want something that is not below the $10 range, because once you go below the $10 range, everything just gets crappy as heck. But in the $10 range, you do have some decent cell phone holders for your vehicle. Now in this situation, this one is not the snappy kind. You can see right here, as you can see, I just click it off and then put it back on. They're not snappy like that. However, the one thing what I am super concerned about is this arm right here. A lot of the cheaper ones, their arm is not that great, and you can see this one is identical to my favorite one, which is right here on a $25 cell phone holder mount. It's the same exact identical arm as this, except the head is completely different. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So to make sure I was going to recommend the Max Boost extendable arm car mount, I wanted to test it out for a few weeks. You can see in my other videos as well, I've had this on for a few weeks now, and I wanted to see, just driving normal conditions and stuff, if it was going to be as good as my $25 favorite one. And I have to say, it really did exceed my expectations. The one thing that I always look for when getting a good cell phone holder mount is this arm, guys. This arm right here is magical. You can twist this right here, get it to whatever angle you want, as you can see, and on top of that, you can even twist this bad boy and get it to whatever height you want. And when I saw that this arm was on a $10 cell phone holder, I had to get it. Number two, what I look for is the suction mount. The suction mount, as you can see right there, it's on there already. It's stuck, it's ready to go. It's been on here for about 3 or 4 weeks, I don't know. Yeah, it's been on here for a while and it's not coming off. That is what you want. You want a good quality sticky suction mount. You don't want the non-sticky kind. The sticky suction mount sticks on surfaces like this where it's not completely smooth. It doesn't have to be glass smooth to stick on. It sticks on material like this, sticks on material that is not smooth like this, you know, just bumpy and stuff like that. That is what you want. You want a sticky suction cup, guys. Those are the two things I'm looking for. And then last but not least, the third thing what I'm looking for is how good is this head. So let me adjust this back to normal. So I have it in place right here, ready to go. And like I said, the third step is definitely the head, and I want to see what the grab function is. Okay, in my situation, I love the one in my Genesis where you just click it and it clamps together. However, obviously this is going to be a cheaper version. You're not going to get that clamping effect. However, this is definitely second best. If you want to save some money, this is definitely second best. How this works is you click this button right here and it extends the arm, as you can see. Then you can place your phone in like so. This is the plus size iPhone, guys, so it fits perfectly fine, and then you clamp it in place. That is the thing. It's a two-step process. So just for step one is put it in place. Number two is click it like this. So obviously you're trading a little bit of convenience. It's not a big deal whatsoever. I love both of these cell phone holders. So now that the head is in place, you can even twist this to make sure this head doesn't move around like this. However, I like the accessibility of having it like, you know, so I can see closer maybe, or, you know, just move it like this. So I like it kind of in this position right here where I can kind of move it, get a different angle. You can even have it sideways like so and have the GPS going like that. This type of head, arm, and suction mount is what I'm looking for. And to take it off, it's easy. You just push the button like so, opens the arms up, and bam, your phone is out. So this one right here is a 2-step. The $25 one is a 1-step. However, it's not a big deal. Save some money and get this one if you want to save some money, guys. So like I said, guys, if you're looking in the market for your own type of cell phone, or if you don't want this one, make sure you're looking for 3 things. The suction cup, make sure it's sticky. The arm, make sure the arm is a good quality arm like this that had multiple different points of maneuverability and extendability. And last but not least, make sure the head is easy to use and that you can do it with one hand. And I couldn't believe I found this one for the $10 range. Absolutely amazing. Max Boost extendable arm car mount, guys. You already know it. I'll leave the links in the description section of the video below, and I'll leave a link to my kit to all the products I have in my vehicle at the moment in the description section as well. So make sure you go check it out. So in my opinion, this cell phone car mount right here gets a solid 8.5 out of 10 because you really can't beat that price for that quality, and I know you will love it. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything is going to be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. I'll have the links to the actual cell phone holder and also the link to my kit to see everything that I have in my vehicle, and you can comment on there and ask me questions and stuff like that on there as well. If you have any other questions, guys, the comment section is all there for you. I answer back pretty quickly, so make sure you take advantage of that. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Other than that, guys, can you just hear saying thanks for watching and peace.